Welcome to Disney Kid at Heart. I'm Lisa Marie and this is my youngest son, Oscar. And today we've got more of the Disney Lego Minifigures Series 2. Now I've just had a count and we have 11 of the 18 in Series 2. So hopefully
we get over 7.
It'd be nice if we complete it today. So how many packs, Oscar?
There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
12 packets in here, so the chances are good. So we'll have to see how we get along. These were all that were left on the shelf in our local Tesco's, so I'm not sure if they're going to get any more, but if we don't complete today, I'm sure I'll be able to find some more somewhere. So let's get opening them and find out.
That one.
So you're having that one?
Yeah.
One sec, because
we're just going to do
scissors.
dips out of the
That's
box.
fine, so hold on, let me just make sure everything's out the way.
I'll just quickly build it.
So just have a look who you've got first. Don't tip them out on there, tip them out onto my hand.
Oh!
Okay, let's have a look, see who we've got.
Steamboat Mini.
Steamboat Mini. Now that's a duplicate.
Yes.
So I will give you a close-up later of all the ones we have already, but that's the black and white Mini. So unfortunately that's a duplicate. That's okay. Right, so my choice now.
We will do one on one stack.
Right, okay, well hold on because I haven't picked one yet.
Okay.
So this one's going to be mine.
Both chop chop.
1 second.
So
that's alright. So I have... oh! This is not a duplicate. This is a new one. No. I think I've got everything. Who do you think of these people? I've got Edna Maud. So hold on and I'll quickly build her. They don't take long, these. Find her head.
Unlike series 1.
Oh, she has like a straight face and a smiley face.
Smiley face.
Yeah, we'll put the smiley face on. Oh, look at her earpiece. It's actually got her glasses attached. So that's cool. And then we'll just quickly put her on a stand. And she's a little figure like the other ones. So, because obviously she's little in Incredibles. I know we are. Hopefully we'll get him. So it looks like it comes with some kind of tablet or something that she holds.
And we're missing.
And strangely, we have got 2 coffee mugs for her.
I have been looking forward to setting somebody.
We'll have to see. So there we go, is Edna Maud. So that's our first one that we need. So stick her up there. I'll just put the spare piece there. So hold on. So this is Oscar's second one.
And now we'll see if
okay, can you have a peek? See if it's a new one or a duplicate.
Steamboat Mini again.
Really? Oh, what a shame. But that's okay.
That's
another duplicate. So my turn. So I'm going to go for this one. That's alright. It is what it is. Right, so in this one we have this is Anna, so this is a new one. Brilliant.
We haven't even got
so hold on and I'll quickly build her. I know.
We're screwed.
I know, so that's good. I wasn't sure who it was at first. So we'll quickly build her.
Do the build it status.
Don't be silly.
It's true.
I'm not saying it isn't. So she's got a smiley face and a winky face.
Winky.
Yep. That's what I'm going to put. And then let's put her hair on. She looks pretty cute. And then she's also got her little... I know, I just realised I forgot a cape. Her little lantern.
We will do it at the close-up.
That's alright, I'll do it now. Take her head off.
I'm waiting for you to do that.
Choosing another
pack.
Right, so let's
this one.
pop her head back on.
I've got a great feeling.
Hold on, Oscar. Hold on, let me show Anna.
Chip.
So you can see what Anna is like. So there we go, Anna. Cool. So another one to our collection. So this one now.
I got a great feeling about it.
Sit back, please. So we can see you
I
properly.
didn't even
So there you
feel
go.
it. Ah!
Okay. Is it?
Yeah.
Oh, fantastic.
I need to just
No, we
quickly build that.
I will build it to make sure you've got all the pieces. So hold on a second and we will quickly build Hades.
Oh, we're looking forward to
Yeah,
that one.
Hades is awesome.
From Hercules.
Yeah, a villain. Oh, look at his blue hair. Oh, nearly. His head nearly went.
And his body.
Yeah, he's pretty cool. Right, so
Bigger
hold on.
than most of the
And then
fish.
he's got some flames to hold.
I bet Dale's missing not having Chip.
Hopefully we'll find him.
But Hercules has some battles now.
Yeah, he has his enemy.
Who
Can't get
hates
there.
Hercules.
Hey, just enemies, that's all. Right. Where's his base? There it is. Gosh, he's like his cloud of smoke takes up the whole base. He is pretty awesome. So there's Hades. Brilliant. That was your pack. So hold on a minute. You're jumping ahead. You can have that pack because you picked it, but let me open one. So my turn.
I got a new one.
Oh.
Thank you.
And this one is a duplicate, but it's an awesome one. It's Jack Skellington.
Sally.
So we'll put that one there. Yeah.
Please be Sally.
Well, we'll have to see.
That will be just
There
funny.
we go. And
We got Hercules.
Hercules. Hercules is a duplicate, unfortunately, but never mind. That's okay.
Funny.
More
though.
to share. And then my turn. So I'm gonna have this back one here.
We took the whole box.
See, well, we took what was left. Yeah.
Keep pointing
I know,
at
it's just
me.
it's just falling that way. We've got another black and white Minnie Mouse. That's okay.
We've got 4 of them.
We've got 3 of them here. So you pick another one. We're nearly down to our last one.
We will go to that.
That's fine. So let me snip it. Snipped a bit too
I'm
hard
having
there.
fun.
There we go. It is fun opening them and having a look. Let's see what we get. So what have you got this time?
We got Frozen.
Frozen. Oh, that's a shame. But yeah, that's another duplicate for us. That's okay.
At least we have a full collection.
I'm going to have this one.
Incredibles.
We do, yeah. Let's see who we get. Oh, another Frozen. But never mind. That's okay.
Never mind.
So, last 2. Which one would you like? That one? No.
A big one.
Well, we'll just have to wait and see who it is.
It could be Chip or Steve.
There you go, there's yours. Let's all cut mine open at the same time. Let's
Oh!
see who we've got. Ooh.
Elsa.
You've got Elsa. Brilliant. Let's have a look.
We got
I
Elsa
think
in the,
I might not have a new one as well. That's definitely Elsa. Let's get all the bits out. Make sure we've got everything. Yep. There's a sparkly cape on a stand. Quickly build Elsa. Right, she'll be easy to build as well. But we won't forget a cape this time.
No forgetting Kate.
No, we won't. So let's put a cape on. It's really pretty, that. Like sparkly snowflakes on it.
I got the other Frozen.
Yeah, you
character.
did. You got both Frozen characters.
No.
So
you got
Elsa's
Anna.
got a winky face and like a smirky
Let's
face.
go for the smirky.
A smirky
this
face for
time.
Elsa. Okay. And
Because
we'll put a cool hair on.
we got the winky face.
And then
for
she
Anna.
has Snowflake.
Snowflake.
Yep. So let's see
Who
how
do
we
you
can...
think you got?
I think I've got one we need.
Chip.
she's not like wanting to hold this.
Just put it on the ground with her.
Hold on. Yeah, I'm gonna have to because it won't stand up properly. So there is Elsa with her awesome cape and her snowflake. That's pretty cool. So that's another one we needed. And then hopefully this is what I'm thinking.
Chip!
It's Chip! So we have the other brother, the other chipmunk.
I bet
So hold on. Yeah, definitely. Let's put him together quickly.
The bros are together again.
Yeah, and then we've got an acorn.
That is in common with Dale. He has a bag over.
I know. Chip has an acorn.
Why, Chip? Why?
It does. Right, so there we go.
Yes. We got 5 new ones.
And there is Chip.
We
So
are only missing 3.
we've got 5 new ones. So yeah, we are. Oh, no, we needed 11. We had 11, so we needed 7. And if we've got 5 new ones, that means we only need 2. So let's have a quick look at the checklist.
Sally
Find out.
and Scrooge.
Is that what you think?
Yeah.
Sally and Scrooge
I'm
McDuck.
actually pretty sure on that.
Okay, so we'll have a look and see what we've got now. So we have Steamboat Mickey, Black and White Minnie. We have the 3 nephews.
We haven't
We
got
don't
Scrooge.
have Scrooge. We have Chip and Dale. We have Elsa and Anna. We have Jafar and Jasmine. We now have Hades and Hercules. We don't have Sally.
I told
We
you.
have Jack and we have Edna and Frozone. So you was correct, Oscar. So hopefully we'll be able to get them 2 to finish the collection real soon.
Yeah.
So guys, I hope you enjoyed watching us unbox the Disney Lego minifigures. We enjoyed opening them, didn't we?
Yes.
So again, thanks for watching. Ta-ta for now.